Hi everybody. So today we are going to be talking about flu. As we all know, in the last 2 years we've gone through a lot of episode which has happened due to coronavirus, which is again a virus which causes similar symptoms of like flu are. So what is a flu? Flu is a common virus which generally is caused by influenza virus, and with this we will be we will have these upper respiratory symptoms which include fever, cough, cold, running nose, sore throat, and so on. Exactly what we've seen in coronavirus. So similarly, we will have even in common flu, we'll have similar symptoms. And going forward, all of us are affected. We are all down. We will be running with high temperatures. We will be having running nose, cough, so on and so forth. So how do we go forward and how do we treat them? So common flu is an entity which generally stays for about 48 hours to 72 hours, and beyond that it heals by itself. So we actually do not require any treatment. But because we have a lot of myalgias and we have a lot of running nose, for these symptoms we need to treat them with respective medications. So for your fever we generally use paracetamol, and for your running nose and other flus, the common symptoms which are there, for that, we use a cough syrup and other particular agents. So these are all the symptoms, and this is how generally we treat them with. And the most important of all is that we can prevent getting infected by these viruses. So most of these particular flu is spread by droplet infections, and if we are able to contain this particular thing, we will not be infected. And if you're not infected, we would not transmit it to the other people who are there at home. So what we need to do for our prevention, first and foremost, hand wash, and hand wash. Number two, if somebody is infected, please make sure that we use a handkerchief or a tissue paper to first and foremost cover our nose while we are coughing or sneezing. Number three, after this, we need to again go and use a proper disinfectant, and make sure that we wash our hands, and we don't. And this is the way we can prevent this particular spread, and so that we don't pass it on to our kith and kin. So in a nutshell, the primary and the most important is good hand wash. Stay from a distance and make sure, even if you are infected, use your precautions like a mask and washing, and that will help us in preventing a common flu.